later. इदानीं शान्तिमन्त्रं पठामः. शान्तिमन्त्रं पठामः. शान्तिमन्त्रं. शान्तिपूजकाः वयं. This is the Shanti mantra that we are learning. This has several, multiple slokas. So we'll chant this complete Shanti mantra once, then and try to learn the meaning also. Aham vadami, all of you please be muted and repeat after me. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam. Nyayena margena mahim mahishaha. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam. Nyayena margena mahim mahishaha. Go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam. Go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam. Lokah samastah sukhino bhavantu. Punah vadami. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam. Nyayena margena mahim mahishaha. Go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam. Lokah samastah sukhino bhavantu. Kale varshatu parjanyah. Kale varshatu parjanyah. Pruthivi sasya shalini. Pruthivi sasya shalini. So as I'm saying it, you also please repeat after me, but be muted. Kale varshatu parjanyah. Pruthivi sasya shalini. Deshoyam shobharahitah. Deshoyam shobharahitah. Sajjana santu nirbhayah. Sajjana santu nirbhayah. Punah shlokam vadamah. Kale varshatu parjanyah. Pruthivi sasya shalini. Deshoyam shobharahitah. Sajjana santu nirbhayah. Next shloka. Aputrah putrinah santu. Aputrah putrinah santu. Putrinah santu pautrinah. Putrinah santu pautrinah. Aputrah putrinah santu. Putrinah santu pautrinah. Adhanah pradhanah santu. Jivantu sharadam shatam. Aputrah putrinah santu. Putrinah santu pautrinah. Adhanah sadhanah santu. जीवन्तु शरदां शतम् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चिद् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Now let us try to understand the meaning of Shanti Mantra. We are Sanskrit students, so we don't want to blindly chant slokas. We want to learn. So we learn when we actually understand what it means. Shanti Pujakaha Vayam. We are all worshippers of Shanti. Shanti. Shanti is not peace. Generally, people translate Shanti as peace. Shanti is a lot more than peace. What is meant by peace? When there is no war. No war means peace. No violence, no fighting means peace. That's what peace is in English. But our Shanti is a lot more than that. Our Shanti means the state of a mind in which one is perfectly happy, peaceful, and in balance. The mind is perfectly in perfect healthy condition, perfectly balanced. And one is content, happy from inside. Right? So when one is in that state, one is happy and one makes others also happy. The question of fighting war will not even arise. When you are internally happy, peaceful, that is Shanti. Right? So this is internal and total, complete. So this Shanti is much deeper. Okay? So then that is there. When everybody is happy like that in Shanta, there is the question of war or peace. Peace is not needed, war is not needed. Both will not be needed. Only when there is a Ashanti, when people are unhappy, frustrated, anger, then comes question of fighting, war, and all those things. You see the difference between Shanti and peace? Right? So Shanti is a lot more than peace. Svasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahishaah. Svasti prajabhyah. Prajaha means people. Svasti prajabhyah. Best wishes for best wishes for all the people. Let all the people, let there be Shubham, meaning that only good things happen to all the people. Swasti prajabhyah. Paripalayantam nyayena margena mahishaah. Mahishaah means kings or those who rule. Nowadays we don't have kings. What do we have? Presidents, prime ministers. They are the party in power. They are the rulers. So let the rulers, Mahishaah, Nyayena margena, by following the right path, right course of action. Let the rulers rule the land by following what is right for the people, what is justice for the people, right? But what do we see? Quite the opposite, right? Our rulers, whether it's president, prime minister, whoever it is, they do things which are beneficial to themselves, their family, right? The president, or his family, or prime minister's family, his wife, his son, his son-in-law, his daughters, all of them will grab the power, and they will do things what is good for. They will say things politically. They will say, they will mislead the people, and they will say they are doing all this for the benefit of the people. But the path they follow is quite opposite, right? They create all kinds of troubles for the people, right? Both in the war and whatnot. Anyway, so let that not happen. So the Shanta Mantra says, Mahishaha, Mahi means the kingdom or the country, the earth. Nyayena margena, in a just path. Paripalayantam, let the rulers rule the land justly, correctly, following the right path. What is good for the people of the country, not what is good for themselves. Go Brahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam. Let all, go means cows. Brahmanebhya. Brahmin doesn't mean the caste Brahmin. We think that when the word Brahmin is used, the only thing people know is caste. There is a Brahmin caste, there is a Kshatriya, there is a Vaishya, Sudra. No, it is not caste. Brahmin means Satvika, good people, intelligent people, Pandita, wise people. Those people who do good things for themselves or others, right? Because Brahmani, so they are always good people who are always focused, thinking about Bhagavan, and whatever they do is dharma. They follow dharma. Such people are Brahmana. So all such good people, noble people. And cow means what? It's a noble, a good animal which helps. By saying Gro Brahmanebhyaha, what we mean? Everybody, all the good people, and also animals which need our protection, which help us. All of them. Let good happen to all of them. Go Brahmanebhyaha, let there be Shubham for all the good people and animals who are our friends. They help us. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta. See, our culture, our Sanatana Dharma, our Vaidika Dharma is not that let India be happy, let Hindus be happy. No, you will never see such a thing. Our Dharma says, Lokaha samastaha. Let all the people, let all the world, meaning let all the countries, let India be happy, let China be happy, let America be happy, let Japan be happy, let all the world, everybody be happy. That is our Sanatana Dharma. That is the greatness of our Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Kale varshatu parjanyaha. Parjanyaha means rain. Kale varshatu. Let rain come in the appropriate time. How do we get food? Whatever we eat vegetables, we eat rice, we eat that. Where does it come from? Agriculture. Harvested in the fields. But for that to happen, the plants, the fields, they need water. How do you get water? By rain. So let it rain in the right time. Kale varshatu parjanyaha. When water is needed, that time it should rain. If it rains when it is not needed, it can spoil the crop. Pruthivi Sasyashalini. Pruthivi, let the land be Sasyashalini, filled with green plantation. Meaning, let there be, greenery everywhere. Plants, plantation, let the plantation be, healthy with rainwater. Kale varshatu parjanyaha, pruthivi sasyashalini, deshoyam shobharahitaha. Deshaha ayam, this country. Shobharahitaha, let this country be free from all kinds of any trouble or famine. Let this country be prosperous, is the meaning. Sajjana santu nirbhayaha. Let all the good people, noble people be fearless. Why is it necessary to wish that? This is really, very relevant, good wish. Because what happens to good people, noble people who want to fight for people? What happens to those good people? The rulers, the presidents, prime ministers, which we elect, when they become selfish, what do? They don't want good people to speak against them. They will go after good people. They want to silence any good person who speaks against them. That's what the rulers do with power. Right? The power, the presidents, prime ministers, we elect to do that. So we have to be careful when we do our, voting. When you vote, you have to think twice, thrice. Is this the right person that I am voting for? Bhavati. Sajjanaha santu nirbhayaha. So let the good people, noble people be fearless. Let there be, out of harm. Right? Let no harm be caused to them. That is the So let all the good people be safe, happy, and fearless. Because only when good people are fearless and happy, then they will do what is good for the society. So that is the meaning. Then, aputraha putrinaha santu. Aputraha. Aputraha means one who doesn't have son. Means no children. Aputraha putrinaha santu. Let people who do not have children, let them get children. Let them have children. Putrina santu pautrinaha. And those who have become fathers and mothers, let them become grandfathers. Meaning, let them get grandchildren. Means, let all the families prosper, be happy. Adhana sadhana santu. Adhanaha, people who don't have money, let them get money. Adhanaha sadhanaha santu. Let poor people become prosperous. Let poor people get money. But what happens? Actually, rich people become richer, poor people become poorer. That's what our rulers do. That's what our presidents and prime ministers do. They work for, they do things which are beneficial for them and beneficial for the rich people, not for the poor people. Poor people become poorer. Let that not happen. Our Shanti Mantra says, let that not happen. Adhanaha sadhana santu. Let the poor people get more money so that let them live happily, meeting their needs. Adhana sadhana santu. Vivantu sharadam shatam. Vivantu sharadam shatam. Let them live hundreds of years. Meaning, let them live their full long life. Aputra putrina santu. Putrina santu pautrinaha. अधना सधना सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतम्. Last shloka. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. Let all the people be happy. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. आमयः. आमय means sick, disease. Niramayaha means free from disease. Be healthy. Sarve santu niramayaha. Let all the people be healthy, free from disease. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Bhadrani, sarve bhadrani. So it means let everybody be, let all people be safe, secure. Let them be, let all the people be happy. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha. Sarve santu niramayaha. Let all the people be healthy, free from disease. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. See to it that everybody, all the people are secure, safe. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Let no one be sorrowful. Dukkha bhag means be unhappy, sorrowful. Ma kaschid bhavet. Let no one be unhappy. Let no one feel sorry. Om Shanti 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 Shanti. We say 3 times. Why do we say 3 times Shanti? Shanti within you. Freedom from all kinds of problems in oneself caused by, either disease or something which is happening within you, in oneself, or outside. Others may cause you harm, others may also cause you trouble. So freedom from that. So adhyatmikam, freedom from the problems that can happen within you, adhyatmikam. Then adi bhautikam is the second kind of shanti. Adi bhautikam means troubles that can come from others. So let that not happen. Let there be freedom from that. So the second shanti is for that. Then the third shanti, adi daivikam. Sometimes things happen. Troubles are caused not by you, not by others, by uncontrollable things. Right? So for example, cyclone, disasters, things happen. Cyclone, fire, like that. So let those things not happen. Let there not be trouble from them. So 3 times Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. 3 times Shanti. That is the meaning of it. After one final time and chanting the Shanti mantra. This is the final, and we'll stop here. So I want one volunteer to repeat after me. So I know everybody must be tired by now, but who has the energy to repeat after me the full sloka? Moksha? Moksha, I know. Unmute Moksha, repeat after me. And everybody else also please repeat, but be muted. Moksha, unmute. Swasti prajabhyah.
Swasti prajabhyah.
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 Paripalayantam. Paripalayantam. Yantam. Nyayena. Margena. Mahim. महिषाः
महिषाः
गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः
ॐ ब्राह्मणेभ्यः
शुभमस्तु
शुभमस्तु
नित्यं
नित्यं
लोकाः समस्ताः
लोकाः समस्ताः
सुखिनो भवन्तु
सुखिनो भवन्तु
काले
काले
वर्षतु
वर्षतु
पर्जन्यः
पर्जन्यः
पृथिवी
हृदिः
सस्यशालिनी
सच्चकाहिली
सस्यशालिनी
नक्षसाहिनी
सस्यशालिनी
सत्यसाहिनी
शालिनी शालिनी
शालिः शालिनी
देशोऽयं
एषोऽयं
शोभरहितः
शोभरितः
शोभरहितः
शोभरितः
शोभरहितः
रहितः
सज्जनाः सज्जनाः
जनाः
सन्तु
सन्तु
निर्भयाः
निर्भयाः निर्भयाः
अपुत्राः
अपुत्राः
पुत्रिणः
पुत्रिणः
सन्तु
सन्तु
पुत्रिणः
पुत्रिणः
सन्तु
सन्तु
पौत्रिणः
पौत्रिणः
अधनाः
अधनाः
सधनाः
गगनाः
सन्तु
सन्तु
जीवन्तु
जीवन्तु
शरदां
शरदां
शतं
शतं
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः
सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः
निर्मलाः
मयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् कश्चित् न कश्चित् दुःखभाग् गकारः दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शांति after shanti there is a visarga sound शांति शांति there is a h after that. Om Shanti
Om Shanti.
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 Shantih.
Shanti.
Yeah. So if you have difficulty there, what you can do another way is Om. Say Om.
Om
Shantihi.
Tihi.
Shantihi.
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 So this is easy with gap. Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. But if you want to say it together, then you have to say like this. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi. Or if you want to combine the three words, then another popular way of saying it is Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi. So you have three options. Say separately, those of you who have problem like Moksha, saying Shanti if that is difficult, but definitely it is wrong to say Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Right? Then it is like somebody by name Shanti, there is no Shanti. So the word in Sanskritam is Shantihi, just like Harihi, Lakshmihi, like that. It is Shantihi. So you have to say this in these three ways are okay. Om Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. One way. Another way. Saying fast but with visarga. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi. Or third way, combining. Then Shakara. Visarga will not be there, but Shakara will be repeated twice. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi. So those of you who have difficulty, who keep saying Shanti, 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 but those of them like the Moksha, that is wrong. We should not say Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. But what you could do is easy way. Om Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. Right? So that we can say it comfortably with correct pronunciation. Asu. We'll stop here. Already taken a long time. And this is a long sloka. You are not expected to learn all of this one time. This is only introduction. What we do, we start with the last one. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha. Starting from Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha. Only the last sloka is what you are learning this week, learning by heart. Next week you can learn another sloka, like that, gradually, so that it is easy for you. So what we have to learn is only the last one. So I repeat the last one and we conclude the class here. Nobody has to, everybody be muted and repeat after me. This is what you are supposed to learn this week. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschid dukha bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi. Stopayami. Let me stop recording.